MI5. Military Intelligence. Section 5 is the United Kingdom's domestic security and counterintelligence agency. Its mission is to protect the UK from threats to its national security, including terrorism, espionage, and the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. It is the direct equivalent of the US FBI's National Security Mission. MI5's work is focused inside the UK, where it investigates foreign spies and terrorist plots. MI5 is not a law enforcement agency. Its officers have no power of arrest. When an investigation requires arrests, MI5 works in partnership with the police, primarily the Metropolitan Police's Counter-Terrorism Command. JTAC Joint Terminal Attack Controller is the central brain for terrorism analysis in the United Kingdom, housed within the MI5 headquarters but operating as a multi-agency body. JTAC's mission is to assess all sources of intelligence related to terrorism. It brings together experts from the police, government departments, and all the major intelligence agencies. JTAC does not collect its own intelligence. It analyzes the information gathered by everyone else to create a single, unified picture of the terrorist threat. Based on this analysis, it is JTAC that sets the official UK national terror threat level. MI6 Military Intelligence, Section 6. Made famous by James Bond, MI6 is the UK's Foreign Intelligence Service. It is the direct equivalent of the US Central Intelligence Agency. Its mission is to collect foreign human intelligence and conduct covert operations outside of the United Kingdom. MI6 officers operate globally, recruiting foreign nationals as agents to provide secret information on the plans and intentions of foreign governments, terrorist cells, and other threats to British interests. While MI5 protects the UK at home, MI6 is the nation's first line of defense abroad. GCHQ Government Communications Headquarters. This is the UK's Signals Intelligence and Cybersecurity Agency. It is the direct equivalent of the US National Security Agency. GCHQ has two primary missions. First, it intercepts, decodes, and analyzes electronic communications and signals from around the world to provide vital intelligence to the government. Second, it has a defensive mission to protect the UK from cyber attacks. Its public-facing arm, the National Cybersecurity Centre, provides advice and support to government and critical industries to help them defend their networks. GCHQ is a founding and crucial member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance. Defence Intelligence. This is the United Kingdom's primary military intelligence organization. Housed within the Ministry of Defence, it is the direct equivalent of the U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency. DI is an all-source assessment body, meaning it takes information collected by MI6 GCHQ and its own military sources to produce integrated intelligence for armed forces commanders, defense policymakers, and the government. Its focus is purely on military and defense-related issues, such as the capabilities of foreign armies, the development of new weapons systems, and tactical intelligence for UK forces on deployment. JIC, GEO, the Joint Intelligence Organization. GEO is the central analytical body at the heart of the British government, located within the Cabinet Office. It does not collect its own intelligence. Instead, its primary role is to direct and analyze intelligence from all other agencies. The most important part of the JIO is the Joint Intelligence Committee, JIC, which takes all available intelligence and produces the government's definitive, authoritative assessments for the Prime Minister and the National Security Council. It is the final word on intelligence matters, ensuring the Prime Minister has the clearest possible picture. National Crime Agency, the NCA, is often described as Britain's FBI, but its focus is strictly on serious and organized crime, though its work often intersects with national security threats. While MI5 tackles terrorism and espionage, the NCA leads the UK's fight against major drug trafficking networks, international money laundering, cybercrime syndicates, and human trafficking. The NCA has its own National Cybercrime Unit and is an intelligence-led organization, meaning it gathers and analyzes criminal intelligence to support its law enforcement operations, which do include the power of arrest, SO15. This refers to the Counter-Terrorism Command (CTC) of the Metropolitan Police Service. It is a unique and critical component of the UK's security apparatus. While MI5 is the lead intelligence agency for counterterrorism, it is the Metropolitan Police's Counter-Terrorism Command, also known as SO15, that acts as the primary law enforcement arm. When MI5 develops intelligence on a terrorist plot, it works in lockstep with SO15, who will then gather prosecutable evidence, conduct raids, and make the arrests. This partnership between the intelligence agency and the police force is the foundation of the UK's counter-terrorism strategy. Thanks for watching. Do you trust Britain's intelligence services to handle the information they collect on allies and foreign citizens responsibly? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments down below. Please also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.